In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate LinkedIn ads with HubSpot, sync your leads effectively, and set up those crucial workflows. If you've been looking to streamline your marketing efforts by connecting these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to HubSpot's website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice an option to log in. Go ahead and click on the login button, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, feel free to skip this step and move on. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. Here, your next step is to locate and click on the marketplace icon. This icon is often found in the main navigation bar and acts as your gateway to the variety of apps and integrations available on HubSpot. With the marketplace open, look for the apps section and click on it. This is where you can find all the integrations that HubSpot has to offer. Now scroll through the list until you spot LinkedIn ads. When you find it, simply click on LinkedIn ads to proceed. The next step is straightforward. Click on install app. Doing this will initiate the installation process, allowing LinkedIn ads to work within your HubSpot environment. Installing this app essentially sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing, so it's a critical step. Once the app is installed, it's time to connect your LinkedIn ad accounts to HubSpot. You can do this by clicking on the option that says Connect Ad Accounts to HubSpot. This step is important because it enables the information and insights from your LinkedIn ads to flow seamlessly into HubSpot, creating a unified system for tracking and managing your campaigns. After linking your ad accounts, you'll have the option to select LinkedIn specifically. This is the last piece of the puzzle. By clicking on LinkedIn, you are finalizing the integration process, allowing HubSpot to interact directly with your LinkedIn ads, ensuring that leads are synced correctly and all relevant data is captured. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on linking LinkedIn ads with HubSpot to enhance your marketing efforts. Once everything is implemented, you'll have the ability to view and manage your leads in one cohesive place, making it easier than ever to track performance and streamline your marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your marketing campaigns more efficient and effective. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy marketing!